Hello everyone and welcome to Ira tutorial. This is Aarti Naik and today I am going to teach you class 7 subject English unit 3 3.1 Tartary. Okay, this is the first what is meant by the Tartary. Tartary means the west geographical region of Europe and Asia. So this is the imagination of the poet if suppose he is the lord of all this area, that means some regions of Europe and Asia. In that case, what the poet will do? Let us see. If I were Lord of Tartary, myself and me alone, that means only I am there on that land, no one is there, only I am there, and I am king there. My bed should be of ivory. Ivory means the hard white form of dentin which forms the tusk of the elephant. That means whatever elephant tusks are there, from that it is made. That is very precious and very uh, rich. That means if suppose I will be the lord of that land, I will have ivory bed of beaten gold my throne. That means my throne will be made of gold. And in my court should peacocks flaunt. Flaunt means wave, means peacocks will dance and they will wave their feathers in a beautiful way. And in my forest tiger hunts. That means in my forest only tigers will be there. And in my pools great fishes slant their fins athwart the sun. That means they will move from one side to another slide in a slope, and means they will show the movement in sun. That will happen in my land if suppose I will be the lord of Tartary. If now here it is condition, okay, if I were lord of Tartary, trumpeters every day to every mill would summon me. To summon means to call people together. Now here this trumpeter will give summon to the lord of the Tartary, that means to the poet. Every day they will give him a signal, they will play trumpet to call him for every meal, that means for breakfast, lunch and dinner and snacks. And in my courtyard bray, bray means to make harsh sound, that means they will entertain me with the help of the trumpet. And in the evening lamps would shine, means during the evening all lamps will shine. But how they will shine? Shine like yellow as a honey and red as wine. Means during evening when lamps are on, the lamps will look like yellow as honey and red as wine. So here light color is compared with honey and wine, while harp and flute and mandolin made music sweet and gay. And during evening means all these instruments will be played for me, for my entertainment. All this arrangement will be done. If I were lord of Tartary, I had wear a robe of beads. Beads means different pearls or different stones. So white and gold and green they had be. That means my dress, my robe will be made from all different colors of beads and clustered thick as seed. That means they are all beads are taken together. That means a group is made, or thick as seeds means how seeds are there, like that it is made. And air should warn the morning star. I had donned my robe and scimitar. Scimitar means a sword. Okay, means when with the morning star. With the morning star, I will have my robe and my sword with me. And zebras 7 should draw my car through Tartary's dark glades. That means I will have my cart with 7 zebras, that means beautiful horses will be there. And with this, that horses will be called as a zebras, and they will draw my car through the Tartary's dark glades. That means wherever I want to move, I want to wander in the forest of the Tartary. This my cart will help me to take at different places. Lord of fruits of Tartary, her river's silver pale. Lord of the hills of Tartary, glean thickest wood and dale. That means, if suppose I will be the Lord of Tartary, I will have lots of fruits, and lots of fruits I will have thickest forest, valleys, and her flashing stars, her scented breeze. That means all beautiful things will be of mine. Her trembling lake like foamless seas. That means trembling lakes will be there, and this lake will make foamless, will look like a foamless seas. And her bird delighting citron trees. That means bird will be very happy, very glad on different citron trees. Every purple well, that means all the purple valleys will be beautiful with fruits, birds, and lake, and scented breeze, and stars, and beautiful flowers, and everything will be there in my land. So that is all the imagination of the poet want to get all beautiful things in his life, and that's why in his imagination he is living the life of the king, where he is alone, no one is there, and that is the imagination of the poet. That is all about the poem. If you have any difficulty, do write in comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, share it, like it. Thank you.